How you doing? Oh man, I had an emotional night last night because I don't know, man. It was I don't know. I had another cyber attack or what, man. But I've been getting these cyber attacks. Phone coming from every week, man. To now, man, a couple of times a week. Where just the phones, man. They just start. I don't know. They just start running away, man. Start don't have no more control of the phones like they all man start man copying each other and stuff and sending stuff wherever they want to and everything. And I just don't know, man. But I ain't been asleep. I ain't been asleep. But they got this doggone digital well-being and they got this doggone family and then they got some that's make life a little bit more convenient for others and well, make life more hell, man, for others. And I lost a lot of data. I lost much, I lost a lot of music and stuff, works that I make. But then I said, 5 years ago, I was five. I should say 5 years ago, we were homeless on the northwest side, and went to my dad's place, man, as a storm blew through on a stretch of road called FM 1960 in the far north of Harris County. And God watched over us in that area because we had a whole lot of folks come from the west side. We had a lot of folks from the mid-north side. And then we had other folks from the far off north side. And then we had folks also come from way from the east, from Humble. They all met in that one area. We were walking down 1960, and I said, no, it look like a parade out here. In 5 minutes, 5 minutes, pandemonium along 1960. They're not looking at no. We've been through a lot. The bureaucracy of this government and everything. Make sure our experience of having our first child was not a good experience. And I ain't pointing the finger at any family or anything because the experience I had in getting, I'm blaming the government. But it was a misunderstanding. They took it and they threw it way out of proportion. And when they did that, I lost a good place. I lost a lot of money because they hit me with child support and everything. Me and my wife. I'm trying to make this look like most, And then every day I look at parents that do a whole lot worse. You know, something going on, then you got newborn baby and pandemonium going on around you. Yeah, you're gonna grab a weapon to protect you and your child, your newborn child and stuff. And that's all she was doing. The laws come out there making them mad because they got work on 4th of July. Could 4th of July and they got work on 4th of July and they ruin that day. So they come along and they ruin our freaking west side life. It was a whole lot, man. A whole litany of BS that we had to go through. And I don't know. I had a long, very emotional night last night. But then I look back where I went through, and I came a long way. Came a long way. And I still am uncertainty because how now the hours, man. A year ago, I started working at Waste Management, and there have been plenty of times, man, like I said, man, plenty of times, man, I had to come away from the lower southeast and go right across right here. Make my way on down, man, all the way till I get to the lower southwest. They couldn't keep me. I know, man. Anybody else that works there, they had to come and go through where I had to go through to make it there. But they wouldn't last a week. They wouldn't last a week, but I lasted 9 months. Dealing with the messed up, man, metro systems. Dealing with metro systems, stop running way, man, earlier than man, this city, man, got 4 million people in it. Nothing to sneeze at. Definitely nothing to sneeze at. Especially when you got a city that don't go sleep, just like Los Angeles, Chicago, and New York. Except for one thing, their bus system goes to sleep. While the city's still thriving and going, just so they can keep some homeless folks trying to sneak on the bus overnight. That's the only reason. When you want to say that, then they want to say, "Oh, the bus is dangerous for people be waiting for the bus that late at night, or before day in the morning, or all that stuff, But you know what? It's more dangerous when you're out there and you don't have no way to get home. Besides walking or just staying there till like 4 o'clock. Yeah, I ain't the only nightmare I had. Commentary about, looking back how far I've been.
I know they know this in Texas, that's what I'm saying.
And I think about what I'll tell you about how when it was on 1960. Remember when the storm hit?
Mm-hmm.
And then we were just walking down 1960, and then 5 minutes.
Oh yeah,
in 5 minutes, man, it was pandemonium, man. The traffic locked up, coming from 4 directions because that's the only part of the city. That was the only part of the city, man.
I'm tripping. You remember it was a man, a woman was in the car with her, and he just pushed her out and
because everything was gridlocked for 4 hours, man. In 5 minutes, it was gridlocked for hours, and it was just stuff going on. And the man arguing with his woman, man. Y'all fighting for your life, man. What you gonna do, man? And you in part time, man. You don't know. And you just gonna throw your woman out of this doggone, man. The kid doggone says that maybe she would do the best for yourself. Get the hell out of my car. Yeah, she'll tell me that she'll lost and she ain't know where she add anything.
I ain't found out I'm pregnant yet, but I'm still walking. Yeah, that's a lot.
So
anyway.
Yeah.
Well, get your bill.
God brought us a long way because a few months after that.
You want this bill?
Yeah.
I got you your own bill, or well, it could be wasted, but that's what I'm saying. It's wasted. twisted already. Just saying, you really don't need it that bad.
I was on one social app one time, man. They didn't allow you to smoke or
All these stores I've been in while I'm pregnant, I'm
curse
just
or
saying, yeah. While I'm
drink or
pregnant
anything
and
while
still living on the
you
street, say how long
online.
I've been, I ain't had no money to feed my goddamn self, but I'm pregnant. That I need it now, and I still look at this shit.
You still went a long way, man. For like 3 months, no, 3. Now,
Yeah, I'm still
now
eat,
the
but
air
this is
conditioning.
my stress still.
Now
Going
the
back
air
and forth to
conditioning.
the
You see,
store.
I got a coat on.
Yeah.
3 months
Here
ago,
you go.
sitting up in
Anyway.
here.
Yeah, anyway.
3 months
I ain't got
ago,
time to keep on
sitting
explaining.
up in here, we were washed down. No air conditioning, we
Look,
was
this
washed
big ass
down,
piece of meat.
sweating, everything. But I just hope God, man, see some favor through me for making this month, because we're gonna be due in a few days, man, and I don't got enough. Working 2-3 days out a week.
I walk down that street, get my own beer alright. I sure do.
I did more work. I did more work, man, trying to survive and stuff, man, when I was out there on the streets. It's sad, man.
I could have got a pack of beans
With
for
the
that
times,
shit.
man.
That's what I'm saying. Can't even cook
With
them
the
motherfucking
times,
beans. Can't use
man,
the water.
with ones on,
This was a pack of
with
beans.
people
I could make me
on
some
one
burritos.
side of the social fence, it's gonna
For
be
that price.
left behind by the
It's not
rest.
worth it.
And
Not the
the gap is
I
just
don't see it.
widening. The gap is widening. And the gap is widening. Everything, man, been said about the Bible is starting to come true. I mean, I curse sometimes stuff, but also I know, and I give acknowledgement to the one that kept me here. Yeah, but you know why? In upon posting this, I hope nothing don't happen. I hope it don't happen with my dad and everything and my phones.
We used to live off of beans. That's what I'm saying. Beans and rice. Shit. It's still been them days. I can get a pack of beans for this bullshit. $3, $4, $5 burrito. Get a pack of beans for that. I eat beans all day with some bacon too. Yeah.
We get like grills or whatever, man. We spent this fortune already. But I know some of y'all
beans for that shit. It's gonna take all day to cook
Houston,
too.
God brings from a long way. Just
Talk about when I ain't gonna worry
he ain't
about
gonna
pay
let us
$1 for,
off.
but I gotta walk down the street
In
for
a long
all kind of shit for this bullshit. All day. Yeah, talking about $18 million. Yeah, what you call it? That's what I'm saying. See Coco Apartment? That's what I'm just saying. Before I was pregnant too, that's what some of them got they crooked over there. Then.
Looking back 5 years ago and all these
That's
years.
when I was over there before I was pregnant.
You know,
and I had my other big old one when I was cooking, paying cash for food.
And her other big one that she talked
For
about
some
is
meat.
me.
For some real meat. For some real meat. That I need a knife to cut with.
Keep hanging in there, y'all. Keep hanging in there. This is my exodus, and this is the record of